Hello YouTubers! Today with Teen Donovan, we'll be making modified ramen with some items that I have at the house. We'll start with 2 cups of boiling water, gochujang paste, which will give it some really good flavor. Then we'll whisk it all together so everything's evenly mixed. Let it come back to boil, and then we'll add 1 instant ramen. And we'll cook for 2 minutes. With a minute left, we'll add 1 egg. And we'll add the spice packet. And we'll do a gentle stir so we don't break the yolk. Mix all the flavors together. And just go ahead and add it to the bowl. And here we'll add some sesame seeds and some chives to punch it up a little bit more. And break open the yolk to let that mix around with the actual ramen. Adds a nice little deep flavor to it. And enjoy. Don't forget, when you cook, magic happens. Please like and subscribe.